Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Toyota Supra GR. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. Excellent. This fender has no scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. This door has no scratches or dents on it at all. Everything looks fine. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on this quarter panel, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, back here everything looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches on the trunk, and the back bumper is in perfect condition as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks really good. I do not see any scratches here or no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger door. This door is in good condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on the door at all. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect and in good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. First, we're going to start with the driver's seat. Excellent. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Excellent. Let's move on to the door panel. Perfect. Not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Everything is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. Everything here is in good condition. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Excellent. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.